Crypto billionaire season coming back at you guys with another daily in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the charts. So I've been going through the comments recently. I'm seeing a lot of fear going around. People are saying this is really bad for Dogelon Mars, but that's what they were saying here. That's what they were saying the last time we hit these levels. And what happens? Most of the time, not even most of the time, every single time we've ever hit these levels, it bounces. So if historical data has anything to do with the future, we are totally okay for now. Now, let me be on the super bear. Like, if I'm a super bear and I hate Dogelon Mars and I want it to go to zero, then it absolutely needs to break through these levels at these 1150s, and it absolutely needs to break through these levels at the 926s and continue to push something like this. Then we can actually start talking about, it's over for Dogelon Mars. But until we see something like that, these are still, in my opinion, good buy opportunities. So let's get straight into the levels of what we're seeing right now. We are still seeing it base off of this extreme low here. It looks like it dipped through it for a split second, and we're coming back up to reclaim these levels. What we want to see is a little push to the upside. I'm not saying this is going to happen, but I'm saying this would be dope if it did happen, because it shows we are following previous support. We want to see a push up to around these 1363s from these levels, but we need to see some volume come in first. And keep in mind, I told you guys this week was going to be crazy. We have tariffs. There's so many things. There's so many things in the market right now that are causing uncertainty and FOMO. But once they get cleared up, it will just catch support in reverse. At least that's the thesis, unless things get really, really bad. So, if you guys are still watching, I want to go over the Dow real quick, Dow Jones, and just see what is going on. In the last 6 months, we are almost at a low, okay? This can get really scary really fast. If we break this low and continue to drop, this is what is scaring me at the moment, is the Dow. But it's all good opportunities, because if the Dow drops, most other asset classes will drop as well. Now, if you're long, that's, it might not be the best thing. But I told you guys this last week. I dropped a whole video on the Dow. I was like, this is what's happening, and this is why a lot of people are going to get screwed over right now with housing prices dropping, interest rates dropping, rent dropping, all that dropping. A lot of people are going to get screwed over, so it will probably take a little dip as we see all of that come into effect. Then again, keep in mind, it is getting priced in. Like, a lot of things are getting priced into the market right now, and that's why we're seeing some lows. So eventually, once things get better, we will catch support and turn around. But in the meantime, buy when people are fearful and sell when people are greedy. So we are currently at 24 fear on the fear and greed. We're still Bitcoin dominant. Market cap has dropped 5% in the last day to 2.62 trillion from 2.8 trillion. Bitcoin's almost at 81. We have that major support around that $78,000 level that we really need to watch. This is a lot of information, I know, but I'm trying to make this quick for all of us. Yeah, we need to watch this major support here. If it doesn't hold this support, or this support, and those levels are 81,000. So if Bitcoin doesn't hold 81,052, then it will be dropping to 81,018. If it doesn't hold that, it will be dropping to 80K. If it breaks 80K, we're probably going to see a dip all the way down below 78K into these 7750s again, with hopes of it catching support around that 78K level. Now, if it breaks through that, we could see a lot more pain in the markets. It's always a possibility. However, keep in mind the overall outlook for the next couple of years is still positive. So that's good. In the meantime, I'll keep you guys updated with updates and videos and whatnot. But yeah, guys, lot to keep eyes on. Anyways, Crypto being a 69. Thank you for watching. Bye.